Fulfilling orders on Squarespace is essential for managing your online store effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. Log into your Squarespace account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and selecting the site with your online store. Go to the Commerce section. In the left sidebar, click on Commerce to access your store settings and orders. Select Orders. Click on Orders to view all incoming orders. This page displays a list of customer purchases. Choose an order. Locate the specific order you want to fulfill. Click on the order number to view its details. Review order details. Check the items ordered, customer information, and any notes provided by the customer. Mark as fulfilled. Once you've prepared the order for shipping, click on the Fulfill Order button. This updates the order status and notifies the customer. Add tracking information. If you are shipping the order, input tracking information provided by your carrier. This helps customers track their shipments. Notify the customer. After fulfilling the order, ensure an email confirmation is sent to the customer, confirming their order is on its way.